Hello everyone and welcome back to the Prime Coding channel. So today we'll discuss about the interview experience of the following roles: Ninja, Digital and Prime. All the interview experience will discuss by me. My name is Aditya Mishra and you are watching Prime Coding. So all this interview experience is of 27 June and many of our Prime Coding community members are also appearing for 28th of June interviews in particular locations. We'll let you know in the new video. But in this particular video, we'll discuss about the 27th June interview experience of all three roles of TCS NQT 2024. Great. All these questions are pretty repetitive and many of the questions are unique also. So we'll discuss each and every question very quickly. So candidate experience of a ninja role of 27/6/2024 and MCA grad. Okay. This experience was given to us via Telegram and I've taken out for you. So intro, project overview. Intro in the sense, tell me about yourself or walk me through your resume with simple questions. Project overview, explain your project. So if you have watched my project explanation, STAR method is one of the most used method when you want to explain your project. So use this particular method with it. Try TensorFlow. So as TensorFlow has been asked to this candidate, I can predict as in his resume there would be some mention like machine learning or deep learning where he might have used TensorFlow. So you can expect how you have used the functionality of TensorFlow, why you have used TensorFlow. Normalization, types and explain BCNF. So basically, you need to explain in such a way that firstly define normalization, then list their types, then explain those types. So the follow-up question would be explain BCNF, how it is better than the rest of the normalization method. Or can you apply BCNF directly? So this type of easy question you can expect. Swing project. So as Swing is a Java Swing topic that was asked to him. So you should be aware of it, how Java Swing works, because in his resume, it would be mentioned. Great. So what is data structure? You need to mention about linear and non-linear data structure. Many of the people directly tell array, swing, etc. etc. These are not data structure. This is come under linear data structure. So you should be aware of linear and non-linear. Then explain about linear and non-linear with examples of the data structures present in both of the types. Great. Abstraction and interface. Very famous question. Many times has been asked. Basically, interface contains of many abstractions and constants and method. And abstraction will usually hide data, confidential data from the user. So these are the very easy definition, but in the interview, you need to specify or tell clear definition with an real life example. It will support your answer. Great. So please be prepared with the example also. It will create impact in your interview. So STTP or SMTP, most asked question, not SMTP or STTP. You can expect the STTP protocol messages such as post, get, as well as what do you mean by SMTP and what do you mean in transport layer, what type of protocol are present. So you should be aware of this. Operator overloading, simple OOPS-based questions, and you can expect some overriding also. What do you mean by overriding? So prepare according to it. Now, what is schema? Without schema, you can't design any tables, because schema giving a pictorial representation of a table that we need to create in a SQL server or any of the SQL databases. Great. Now, this basic question, inheritance and method overloading, can be asked to you. Overriding, polymorphism, inheritance and all that has been asked. So you need to list the types of inheritance so that it will support your definition. Okay, don't let them ask, okay, let me know about the types. So define inheritance, then list their types. RDBMS, what is MongoDB? Great. Please have something with you. If you know MongoDB, it is great. Like the question can be formed like, can you list non-relational database management system or relational database management system, list the differences, support your answer with the following software examples. So at least you should have 2 software examples with you and a difference among them. Like we can say in MongoDB and Cassandra, what is the difference between both of them, or DynamoDB? Okay, so please be aware of that. Similarly, it applies over SQL also, like RDBMS. What do you mean by MySQL, Oracle SQL, or PostgreSQL? If you're telling any of the options as a software examples. Great. OOPS concept, most asked question each and every time in interviews. Now, the HR question was, what does TCS do? Any current backlog, year gap, or often open for relocation. All this question is also covered in TCS one short video that I have created. It has part 1 and part 2. Please make sure that you will definitely go through it, because one of the candidate was benefited by watching all these, and is specially mentioned all this video in his particular feedback. The feedback is over my Telegram group. Please have a look over it. Candidate experience of digital role, day 27. Okay, so digital interview today, he's mentioned. Now started with normal talks about how I manage traveling from long distance, and talked about hometown and family. So basically, it was a more general type, not that in-depth of technical type. The interview lasts long around 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so then a little bit, then intro, like let me know about yourself or take me to your resume about Git commands. So guys, many of the people are not able to explain Git commands. So explaining Git commands, you should be aware of the stages present in Gits. Then following with the stages like untracked, now staged, now modified, then commit. These are the stages. So you should be aware of then commands. Explain stage first. Inside the stages, you need to tell about the commands that is basically used in every stages. Great. Leap year coding question that is asked to him. So it is a very basic, like 400, 100 and 4. So if your year is divisible by 400, which means it's a leap year, which means it's true. If your year is divisible by 100, which is not true, which is false, the year would be not a leap year. And if your year is divisible by 4, it says, yeah, it is a leap year. So you should use else if here, okay, for every the cases. And any of the conditions are not true, which means it's not a leap year. So please be aware of it. This is the overview I have given. You should go in depth if you're not able to understand why I have written 400, 104. So one puzzle question. I see many puzzle questions were asked in interview, such as puzzles would be 5 jar, you have 5-liter jar, 4-liter jar, and I would say few more probability questions you can see in interview experience that I have uploaded. The probability question were also being asked. The normal question about relocation, simple HR based question. Moving forward with another Pune based digital profile, and 27/6/2024 was the date. So TRMR lasts only 15 minutes. See, guys, after seeing this interview, you won't think that, okay, my interview also will gonna be 10 to 15 minutes. It would be different, because in South India, I saw that the interview is lasting till 35 to 40 minutes. So please, guys, don't take this like, yeah, these are easy questions. You don't need to practice. Practice for the worst case. And if all these cases been arise, it would be cakewalk for you. Okay. Now, introduction. So you need to tell about yourself. Please be specific. Try to speak about your name, college or course, CGPA, college. If you have any experience, how many months, company, what you have learned, or what you have did, your projects, what you have did, your strength and weakness. That's it. What are the skills, dislikes, likes and dislikes? General question that you need to answer. SQL query, concatenate 2 column, first name and last name employees. Guys, this is very easy. You can, if you have saw my SQL video, it would be cakewalk. You just need to use concat and put those column into it, and it will concat those. Okay. What is having and group by? So basically, most asked question, you should be aware of what do you mean by having, where you can apply having, where you can apply group by, what is the precedence of both of them. With either you can use group by or you can use having. So these are the questions you should be aware. Write any query using having and group by. Any query, you can use a student example where you need to club all the student count with respect to their grades. Simple question, you can do it. Now, Java and Python. Difference between Java Python, because it might be the candidate is from Python background or Java background. So this follow-up question you can expect. Now, tell me about your final year project. Most asked question by MR as well as the technical interview. If you have not mentioned about your final year project, you should be aware of it. And what is YOLO algorithm? So it might be this guy is using DL, CNN algorithms. That's why YOLO comes into picture. If you are applying CNN, you should be aware of YOLO and where CNN can be applied, why YOLO you have used. And any question from us, you can ask some basic question into it, like what role I can get or what projects like TCS is working on, what would be my feedback and all. Moving forward with another, which is got rejected after TR and MR. All the cases is mentioned here. So what is your name? Where are you from? Any current backlogs, gap years, and check mark sheet of 10, 12 degree. Now, any other company offer do you have? Why TCS? Any question? Now, HR is also very friendly. The whole process is smooth and fast, and luck matters. So you should be aware of all these questions. The TRMR questions has been asked to him. It might be because TCS doesn't care about backlogs. If you have backlogs, you will be rejected, as well as your grades. Your grades also should be good in degree as well as 10 to 12. Okay. Now, tell me about which this is a digital for Coimbatore. You see now how the South India people are facing the TCS and QT interviews as compared to the north and the eastern side of the India. Now 27, 6 to 24, you can see. Tell me about yourself. What is your name? Tell about you which is not in the resume. Okay, so that's why I usually tell, don't write everything in detail in your resume. So that you should have why to answer this question if it has been asked to you. Now, asked to rate my skills based on my knowledge of Java, SQL, C, HTML, CSS. Most of the questions are also asked from all these domains, and I've also explained in all the interview experience that I've uploaded. The playlist link would be in the description. You can head over it. Now, asked what you know in Java. Great. So you should be aware of multi-level inheritance or multi-threading is also supported by Java. It is an object-oriented language which is different from other languages. So now I said, oops, then they have asked me that only learned this. I said, I have only learned this, so you should be aware of it. Asked to write file handling with library functions. Before they asked whether you are aware or not. See how the question has been asked about the file handling. It might be he written core Java or he had good examples or good ratings in Java. That's why these types of questions has been arise. So you should be aware of serialization, deserialization also, and MVC, servlets. All these are also covered in most asked technical question video that is on my channel with having a great views. Please watch that. I have clubbed all the most asked question into that video so that these types of questions you won't be missed. Okay. So link would be in the description or you can find over my channel. Now, now see the question of one pointers. It's not that you're using Java or you written Java. They can expect the question because you have written C also. What do you mean pointers? How the pointer deals with the address and all you can expect. In C, asked to write call by reference, call by value example program. Simple program, 4 to 4 lines, you can write it. And what is SQL and why it is popular. Basic program, that basic knowledge that you should have. Now, normalization, if they are asking about normalization, again, you should be aware of VCNF definition, how it is optimal other than the rest of the normalization function that we have. Now, aggregate function. What do you mean by aggregate functions? Of the sum, average, or min, max, all this you should be aware of. Outer query. Outer query, what do you mean by outer query? Write the syntax of it. Subquery, which means nested query that you should be aware of, which execute first said outer. Now asked to explain the implement subquery. So please, I always ask my mock sessions also, what is optimal? Do you think join or nested query? So if you are telling nested query, my follow-up question upon that would be different. And if you're using join, then how would be different than nested query. So please prepare according to all this. Now, what you learned on doing this project, like whatever project you have mentioned, I always ask my mock sessions also, what you have learned, what is the challenges that you have faced, how you make use of React or any machine learning algorithm that you are implementing in your project. Now, timeline of these projects, you should be very aware of it. I have saw people that putting 2023 as a timeline and nowadays is 2024. So try to do some little updation so that you can put the timeline of the latest dates. Okay. So what is the expect from company? What is your expectation from company? What do you provide this strength and weakness? So please try to be very specific in your tell me about yourself so that they will not ask in depth about these. Now, what did you done in 2 months after your course asked by should you hire you? Or simple any questions. So you should be aware of these TCS and QT problems. And if you are not able to frame your template of HR questions, so HR videos are also being live of to part 1 and part 2 with the templates. You just need to replace the keywords and use those templates freely. Okay. Now, questions is depend upon the digital. Again, it is from experience 27, location Kolkata. It might be Gitanjali Park. Okay. Many of the people are having in Gitanjali Park. So questions are puzzles like 5-liter jar and 4-liter jar, and it might be many. To take examples of this question, you can head over GFG and write puzzles question for interview. Technical interview, you will find everything. and you should be knowing some basic time distance problem and few gender ratios problem. That's it. In probability, they are asking it. If you're not believe my words, you can go to the interview experiences that I have uploaded. In that, I have mentioned very clearly about all these stuffs and how to connect an HTML file with a JavaScript file. These questions are very easy. If you are using HTML, CSS, or you are writing these stuffs into your resume, you should be able to answer all this. And now functions, button, triggered, pressed code, all this like button, how it is being triggered, how it will go to the JavaScript file, how it can be manipulated and all this. Now, pattern printing problem. Most famous question, repeated 4 times. Print the pattern in this manner, like this, and print the pattern in this manner, like a diamond problem. Moving from a downward or a pyramid type of pattern that you need to do, and any types of pattern. Then linked list deletion. See, this is a digital profile. Okay, linked list deletion, how you can do that. So in the one of the interview experience, I have mentioned how you need to explain how you can delete a linked list or a node inside a linked list, because you need to tell about the steps first. So it might be the very first node, it might be the very last node, it might be the middle node, or it might be there is no node present in the linked list. So we can do this way, this way, this way. In all the types, you need to mention so that you can tell, yeah, you have an in-depth knowledge of everything. So it might be they will not tell you to write code because you have explained so nicely with confidence. So it would be an edge for you. Now, maximum theory questions on CPP, as CPP is also of object-oriented languages, so you can expect the questions over it. Friend functions, compile time polymorphism, runtime polymorphism, virtual functions. Most asked question if you are from CPP background, what do you mean by virtual? How you are using virtual? What is the use of virtual? Now, pure virtual functions and functions, overloading and overriding. These are the basic questions of OOPS. You should be aware of it. Now, primary key, secondary or super key, candidate key, alternate key, what are the difference between them, and the DBMS concepts. All these are also covered in one short DBMS video that I have also created. It is available on my channel. You can have a look over it. All these questions will come from that video. I guess I have talked about primary key, foreign key, and I guess I've talked about super key and candidate key. But if I have not, please have a look over the GFG. You can able to understand this, as these are very easy. So now HR, relocation and night shift, basic questions for asked to him. Now we'll see TCS Prime interview experience on 27/6/2024. Introduction. Question from my projects that you need to respond. Now question from my Python. Question from Python 2.3. Like how Python is different than the languages you have not chosen, or how you can achieve abstraction, or how you can achieve private public in this particular Python language. So basic question that you would expect in Python. Okay. Now the backend database that you might have used, it might be Node.js, or it might be some Python, or else why you have used instead of that of any present technologies, and about new technologies like cloud computing, machine learning, AI, cyber security. You should be aware of it. As I've spoken about all these like cloud computing, machine learning, AI, most asked question, blockchain, how you can explain trending technologies. All these videos are present on this channel. So please make sure you will go through it, all these questions, so that you will be able to answer in your interview. As preparing beforehand is an advantage in your interview. So please prepare it, and make sure if you're watching till here, subscribe the channel, like this video if you have not did yet, and please share with your juniors who are gonna come to the TCS and QT in future. So please help them by recommending a good quality content. Many HR questions are also regarding hobbies. The B should be there. And coding questions in Python. Basic coding questions, it was not that. That's why not mentioned. Now questions like, will you able to handle pressure, and all these bond related questions in HRs and MR question. So please go through it. So if you're not able to explain your project well, so please watch these 2 videos, in-depth explanation, what pro tips that you should be aware of. And if you have not watched this video, I will definitely make sure that you will do this particular mistakes that I have mentioned in this video. So please go through it. And if you have ML project, full stack project, or any internship, how you need to explain in the interview, so that interviewer would be impressed by your explanation. So in this video, all these templates are also given. These are my personal. So please watch it, get to know about everything, and start your preparation. So both the HR and MR part has been uploaded on my channel. Please have a look over it. And most important coding question, please watch it. If you are for prime or digital role, the coding question will definitely gonna ask to you. And DBMS one shot video and free mock session. For it, just comment on this video. And in the last, join Telegram group of Prime Coding and a Prime Coding LinkedIn page. All these pages would be in the description. Just head over it, do all this, and I will let you know the winners in the Telegram group. And if you are so hurry, because we have 50 plus happy-minded student and got updated version by themselves, because many of the people were not able to speak well. They were confident. There were many who are overconfident. All these things will be cleared after the mock session, because I will give you the in-depth detail feedback of yourself as well as resume review. So please guys, if you are nervous, underconfident or overconfident, I would challenge you, please come over to the mock sessions and explain and see where you are standing, how much you are inside the water, because in these layoffs, you are getting opportunity to get a job. Many of the companies are revoking the offer, and in this particular situation, you have an wannabe offer in your hand. So please work on it. Please do the hard work. I'm here. The mock session is with you. At least give one, so that you would be not missing this particular opportunity. It might be you are confident with everything, but the question that I will ask you, you are not able to answer those. So I will highly appreciate you for booking it. I will let you know how to go through and book your sessions. Now you can see the Prime Coding website, www.primecoding.in. You should head over this particular website and see, I have given all the information that you should be aware of, mentored many and all this. This is me although, and you can go through this Prime Coding mentorship, what I do and what actually we have and what our candidates say. Everything like on the Telegram, all over the thing I have given it here. You just head over it. You just head over it and see the candidate experiences. Many more there are. Please head over our Telegram group. If you're not joined, join it. All this updated feedback would be there. Now, one payment in endless opportunity. All these as per your roles. Please go through it. A small investment will give you the opportunity to bag lakhs of rupees offer. So why don't you try it? So yes, this is from my side. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends, like this video and make sure you have subscribed this button, because all this will help me in many ways. So we'll meet you with a new video soon.